Alrighty, let's really quickly cover what top sets and back off sets are going to be. So in your program, you probably have something looking like this right here. Again, it could be various iterations, like there's going to be a bunch of different things it could be, but let's just take this example right here. So when you're doing top sets and back off sets, so as you can see right here, it says weeks 1 to 2, you're doing 2 sets of 5 in 1 set of 8. Okay, so number one, that's how you read that. So you're doing you're doing 3 total sets for this back squat. So you're still doing 3 total sets. It's just 2 of the sets are going to be sets of 5 reps, and then 1 of the set is going to be a set of 8 reps. And essentially, again, you're going to spread that out between top sets and back off sets. So these right here are going to be your top sets, and then this right here is going to be your back off set. And again, you'll have this could be 1 set of 5, and this could be 2 sets of 8. It just depends on the program, but this is essentially what it would look like. And so what you're going to do is 2 sets of 5. When you do those 2 sets of 5, you should be looking to lift heavy load, heavy weight, because you are automatically doing less reps. And so these are going to be your sets where you're lifting heavier weight. You're taking it very close to failure still. It's just you're going to be able to lift heavier weight, and mentally just go into those sets knowing that you are going to be lifting heavier weight. Kind of like whether you want to call it pump yourself up or talk to yourself or whatever. It's like just know you're going into those sets lifting the heaviest weight you possibly can, obviously while keeping very good form and not getting injured and things of that nature. So those are 2 sets right there. And then the third set you are going to do is going to be a set of 8 reps. And with that set of 8 reps, that is your back off set. And the reason it's called a back off set is because you are inherently going to decrease the load, decrease the weight that you are lifting. Because just quite frankly, when you are lifting something for 8 reps, you probably should not be able to lift the same amount of weight you are doing for 5 reps. Because if that's the case, you need to lift heavier for the 5 reps. And so you're going to lift very heavy for the first, again, this could be 2 sets of 5 or 2 sets of 3, whatever it is. You're going to lift very heavy for those sets, and then you're going to back off the weight a bit and then go to your back off set of higher reps. And again, because you're doing higher reps, you'll probably have to drop the load down, and that is okay. That is intended. That's what you should be doing when you're going into your back off sets. And again, this set right here, you're still taking it very close to failure. So don't think like this is just random, no, you're still taking that set very close to failure. It's just it's going to be a little bit higher reps. So you're going to do a little bit less weight. And again, you're doing whatever the program calls for. It could be 3. This one in particular is 3 sets total. But if it says 2 sets of 5 and 2 sets of 8, that would be 4 sets total of this exercise, right? So that is what a top set and a back off set is going to be. Hopefully this made sense, and we'll chat soon.